this week at Dollar Tree, where everything's a dollar. Save big.
Heavy traffic in both directions of I-70. Injury accident westbound I-70 near Fort Bend. Heavy from 225 on out. 225 going in 270, as well as the Boulder Turnpike dealing with slowdown. Accident, Alameda at Leedsdale. Heavier snow in the high country. Right now we got a rolled over semi. Westbound I-70 shut down at Vail.
And this is Road 7. I'm pretty sure it's Road 7. There's a street sign. You can't even read what it says. And somewhere up here is Road 12. I see a pole. So we're going to slow down. Ah, there it is. There's Road 12. Anyway. Not so awesome. So everybody just stay home tonight because this is... Ugh. And it's going to get worse and it's going to get dark on top of